Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to disable automatic dividend reinvestment in Stash. If you don't have a Stash account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get $20 of stock after you fund your account. However, if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see a profile icon at the top right side of the screen. Click on the profile icon. On this page, you will see several tabs on the left side menu. Click on the tab that says Dividend Reinvestment Program. Now here, under Personal Portfolio, you will see Automatically Reinvest Dividends. Beside it is a toggle switch. Toggle to off. That's how you disable automatic dividend reinvestment in Stash. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.